friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm here to show you how to play the B-flat major cadence. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to properly play the B-flat major full authentic cadence. So the first thing we need to know is that the key of B-flat major has two flats, B-flat and E-flat. Every major cadence is made from the first note, the fourth note, and the fifth note of the scale. So the three chords that we'll be playing today will be B-flat major, E-flat major, and F dominant 7. Okay, so let's take a look at the right hand first. The B-flat major chord is going to be played B-flat, D, F with our right hand 1, 3, and 5. Our 4 chord is E-flat major, and we're going to play that B-flat, E-flat, G with our 1, 3, and 5. Our F7, which is our 5-7 chord, our dominant 7 chord, we're going to play with our right hand A, E-flat, F with our 1, 4, and 5. So let's put that cadence together. A full authentic cadence is the 1 chord, the 4 chord, back to the 1 chord, 5-7, and on the 1 chord. So here's what it looks like in the key of B-flat major. So B-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat major, F7. Let's check that out in the left hand. Our left hand plays the same notes. The fingerings are slightly different. This is what B-flat major looks like in the left hand. B-flat major is going to be played B-flat, D, F with our 5, 3, 1. E-flat major, we're going to be playing B-flat, E-flat, G with our 5, 2, 1. And our 5-7 chord, our F7 chord is going to be played A, E-flat, F with 5, 2, 1. So let's put that together in the left hand in the full authentic cadence. It's going to sound and look like this. B-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat major, F7, B-flat major. All right, let's put hands together playing the full authentic cadence in the key of B-flat major. Looks like this. B-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat major, F7, back to B-flat major. There you go. That's how you play the B-flat major full authentic cadence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And always feel free to share any of my videos with your family and friends. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.